Hello everyone, my name is Chutian Shao and you can call me Shao. For this summer, I'm doing my internship in SGM in Shanghai. SGM is a joint venture between General Motors and SAIC, established on July 12, 1997. The company mainly focuses on manufacturing and selling Cadillac, Buick, and Chevrolet brand automobiles in China. The company has four major manufacturing bases in China, which are Jinqiao in Shanghai, Dongyue in Yantai, Nosam in Shenyang and Wuhan. And I'm doing my internship in Jinqiao manufacturing bases in Shanghai. As a buyer in the purchasing department of the SAIC GM, I will individually start the work responsible for suppliers' quote assessment, bidding, negotiation, contract set, and contract execution, according to QSTP rule, which is a general rule of the company. Also, I made a flowchart of the general purchasing process in the normal which can be applied in the normal condition. I also attached the file in the video below. First of all, the user department will issue and give the PRs to the purchasing department, attached with the SOW in the file. So the PRs is a purchasing request of certain products, and SOW is the scope of the work, which is a detailed description of the products the user department is looking for. So, for example, as a buyer in the engineering or IT department of the purchasing department, the user department may expect me to look for the companies with specific technology, such as air conditioning. After the purchasing department receive the PRs, the manager will assign the PRs to the individual buyer, such as me, to deal with the request. After I accept the PR, I will create the RFQ, which is request for quotification on the website called Supplier Portal. At the same time, I will look for potential suppliers for the products. In the normal condition, there should be at least 3 suppliers in the file. There are a few ways to look for potential suppliers. From the previous suppliers of the same product, or from the website, or from the recommendation of the user department. If the user department provides the supplier to me, it will also need to provide the letter of recommendation in the file. During the process, there is also a committee called JPC, which is a joint purchasing committee. It is used to provide approval to the bidder list created by the buyer. However, if the PR amount is smaller than 400 kilo RMB, the bidder list doesn't need to go through the JPC. It just needs the approval from the director and the manager of the department. After the bidder list is approved by the manager of the JPC, the RFQ can be issued by the buyer from the website to the supplier with the proposal of the contract included. At the same time, the technology department should operate the TA, which is a technical assessment over the product of the supplier, to make sure that the product of the supplier can satisfy the SOW. After several rounds of the price negotiation, the buyer can create a contract with the supplier who wins the bidding. The contract should have 2 copies for both the company and the supplier. During the procedure of operating and comprehending the purchasing process of the company, I understand why the company like SAIC GM has a complete purchasing process. because it needs to clarify the purchasing process to make sure like no department has has too much power to influence the operation of the purchasing process. In the meantime, I have 8 PRs in my file. It has been almost been a month since I have been in the engineering section of the purchasing department, and I may want to have a chance to take a look at the design department of the SAIC which means I will have a chance to look at the design of the company. Since I took my bachelor degree in electrical engineering department, I already have some basic knowledge about power system, motors, circuit analysis. Hopefully, I can at least join the design department for a few days so that I can have a clear view over my future career. So this is a basic introduction of my summer internship. Thanks for watching.